we're gonna be firing up my grandparents' dogs. They're actually here for the weekend. They're gonna be here for the whole weekend. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mario. And Daddy's gonna knows how we've done this before when I got the. And remember the Mario Kart thing? Yeah, you're getting batteries for it.
I'll try.
Yeah, that Mario Kart right there. We actually, when I first got that for Christmas, or not Christmas Day, but it was like Christmas, around Christmas. It was like a few years ago. We actually fired Mario up. This was before they got girly. It was before she was born. But I fired Mario up, and he was going crazy. So we're gonna try and do that again. It's gonna be kind of hilarious. He's gonna be barking like crazy, and he's drinking his water. Yeah. Yeah. My father was actually also firing him up by tucking his both like his hands together and then putting his hands together and putting them under his shirt. That makes Mario go crazy. We was doing that. Like first me and Daddy were gonna play Mario Odyssey. We're gonna play some Mario Odyssey 2-player. Then the dogs came in and then he did the thing where it looked like something was in his belly or shirt and then made Mario go crazy. So now we're just gonna fire him up. Oh, and guys, no, not tomorrow, because I'm filming this on Friday, so on Sunday it's going to be Easter, so happy early Easter. I'm probably not going to be uploading anything on Easter, because I'll be spending time with my family. Yeah, well, if it takes a few minutes, I might as well just kind of, I'm going to kind of record, but if it takes a few minutes, I'm going to, when I edit later, I'm going to edit some of that out. So, yeah. Oh, hey, girly. Hey, girly. You're a good girl. Giddy up, girly. She's a little horse, guys. She looks like a little horse. Giddy up. Giddy up. Giddy up, girly. Guys, she kind of looks like a black blob on camera. Looks like a black blob on camera, even though she's a dog. She's a good girl. Yeah, you're a good girl. And her tail always hits everything sometimes. Her tail hits things sometimes. And then there's Mario. It's me, Mario. Woo-hoo! I think he's drinking his water or eating food. I don't know what he's doing. Girdle, 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 myrtle, myrtle. Girly, girly. Give girly a swirly. 3 minutes in the video, guys. Yeah, I can tell. You want me to show you how I can tell? Here. We're gonna. Hey Google, bathroom lights on. Yeah, I got a new clock for Christmas. I was gonna make a video, but I ended up not. But yeah, I ended up not because I didn't feel like it because it was too close to Christmas. And yeah, guys, I'm sure you remember my Mirror World videos. I'm not doing that today. It's been so long since I've done a Mirror World video. It really has. That was actually like the beginning of my channel. It was kind of cringy, actually. Me watching those videos earlier, I realized how cringy they actually are. Yeah, well, how I can tell the time is because, Inception right there, yeah. I think I did a TikTok video, but you see that little timer? Yeah, that's how I can tell how many videos I got, except you're all like, well, we can't read it, it's reversed. Yeah, I know, Captain Obvious. And, yeah, that's a cool Inception right there, if I say zoom. Yeah, I'm gonna, hey Google, bathroom lights off. Well, alright. So guys, I'm not sure if I'm gonna cut this out or what. I'm actually not gonna cut it out. I'm actually gonna keep this. This is gonna be raw footage. Well, besides the intro and the outro. Yeah, this is gonna be some raw footage. I don't think, but if I have to, if the video is too long, I'll cut out the ending and then add the outro. Yeah, guys, it feels sweet to make a YouTube video. I should go to the Mirror World again, guys. Little missy Mirror World. Yeah, guys, there's a reason I stopped doing it. There's a reason I stopped doing that. I'm just not going to get into detail. Because, yeah. I'm not going to get into detail, guys. But the reason my evil twin's kind of mad at me. So, yeah. My evil twin's kind of mad at me. So I kind of stopped going to the mirror world. Because I was afraid he's going to do something. So, yeah, guys. I don't think I'll be doing any mirror world anytime soon again. Yeah, rest in peace, Mirror World. Anyway. Yeah. Hey, Google. Tell me a joke.
How did
No.
the frog burn its tongue?
How?
It tried to eat a firefly.
Hey, Google. Tell me another joke.
I once stayed up all night trying to figure out where the sun went. Then it dawned on me.
Yeah, guys, it tells some funny jokes. Some are funnier than others. This is one joke it told me one time. What kind of underwear does a cloud wear? Thunder pants. Yeah. About 6 minutes in the video. Guys, hopefully I'll be getting in the real juicy stuff. If I don't get in it in this video, I'll make then what I'll do, I'll just film 2 videos, part 1 and part 2, if I run out of time. Or either I'll do some editing, I don't know. Is it working? Alright. Hey Mario, you ready to go crazy? You ready to go crazy? Num 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 num. Num num num. Grizzly. Hey Daddy, here's a joke that Google told me. I stayed up all night figuring out where the sun went. Then it dawned on me. You get it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Doogie food. Yeah. Girly. Girl. Ah. Yeah. Mario. Fardio.
You ready?
Yeah. Ready, guys? Watch. This is gonna be good. You're a chicken. Chicken butt licker. Chicken butt licker. Turkey. You chicken? You chicken? Wait, where'd you go? Oh, you're up there. Go in the living room. Go in the living room, Daddy. You chicken? You chicken? You little goober? Oh, that way. Go over there. Mario,
Record that?
Yeah, I'm recording that.
Yeah.
Huh? Okay. Well, I'm making a YouTube video also.
Well, just send it to Nat.
Okay, I'm gonna send that to Nat. That's gonna be the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the content. See you later.